Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new user to this channel, make sure you hit on the subscription button and turn on bell notification. In today's video, we are going to take a look at how we can convert any website or any blog or any YouTube channel to a mobile app, right? So let's dive straight into the tutorial. We are going to make use of the MIT App Inventor. So you go to your browser and type MIT App Inventor and press enter. You click on MIT App Inventor. It will require you to log in with your password and your Gmail and the password. So after you've logged in with your Gmail and password, you'll be redirected to this dashboard here. Okay, network is okay. So you'll be redirected to this this dashboard. Then you click on Start New Project. Give it your project name. Let's say first, and then you click OK. Okay, the said first has already been used. So let's use another first. Right. So you now give your project a name. It can be any name. Right. So you click continue. Now in the palette section, you see when you scroll down a bit, you see web view. Click on web view and drop it on the viewer component. Then come to property section and then under home URL. This is where you are going to paste the URL of the blog or the website or the YouTube channel you want to turn to a mobile app. So in my case now, I want to turn this blog to a mobile app, right? So you copy this blog, the link of this blog, come back to MIT App Inventor and then paste it under home URL. Paste it there, right? So once you have done this, you have finished, you have successfully turned the blog or the YouTube channel to a mobile app. The next thing is come to build, go to build, and then under Android APK, click on it. So this will now compile your mobile app and then it will make an APK file for you to be able to download and install for in your on your mobile device. So after it has finished compiling, you see an APK source and then you see a, a barcode for you to scan it and then start the installation automatically on your mobile device. So if you are just joining this channel for the first time, I already have another video on how to create your first mobile app using this MIT App Inventor. All the steps from signing in to entering your Gmail to creating your first mobile app, everything is included in the video. So just check the video on my channel and then watch it, and then this will be more like a continuation. All right, so now the app has finished compiling, and you can see you have a download APK file now, and then you have the barcode scanner. So once you scan this on your Android device, it will now start the installation straight away. While when you click on this download now, it will now download the APK file for you on your device, and then you copy it out and then install it on your mobile device. All right guys, so that we have come to the end of this tutorial. Make sure you hit on the subscription button if you've not done that, and then turn on bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I make new posts. All right, bye bye.